the top 11 amazing health benefits of drinking tea every day. 1. Good for your gut. Gut health isn't all just fiber and probiotics. Research shows that tea's content polyphenols can beneficially modify gut bacteria. This can lead to positive health effects like reduced carbohydrate absorption, improved blood sugar levels, and weight loss. 2. Good for hydration. While it was previously thought that tea and coffee promoted dehydration by acting like a diuretic and causing the body to lose more fluid, recent research finds that up to 6 to 8 cups of tea a day is just as hydrating as the same amount of water. 3. Boost fertility. The polyphenols in tea have confirmed anti-inflammatory and patent antioxidant effects that can improve fertility among men and women. 4. Good for the mouth. Tea contains fluoride and can prevent bacterial populations in the mouth. This reduces the risk of periodontal disease, cavities, and possibly even oral cancer. So even if you skimp on flossing here and there, you can still feel good about your oral health if you are sipping a tea. 5. Good for the brain. Regular tea consumption may lower the risk of getting Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative diseases. Tea can also boost memory and increase attention span to prevent cognitive decline. 6. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Research was found out that regular tea consumption reduced the risk of dying from heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. Tea also seems to lower bad cholesterol, total cholesterol, and even triglycerides. 7. Tea contains antioxidants. Antioxidants works to prevent the body's version of rust and helps us keep young and protects us from damage of pollution. The antioxidants can reduce the formation of damaging free radicals in the body, which play a role in aging and all sorts of diseases. 8. Tea helps in weight loss. Drinking tea instead of other beverages is a great way to avoid some major calories. Some studies suggest that compounds in green tea help increase fat burning in humans. 9. Tea may help your smile bright. A Japanese researcher have found out that tea can decrease tooth loss. It changes the pH in your mouth when you drink it, and that may be what prevents cavities and does not appear to erode tooth enamel. Ten. Tea may boost immune system. Studies have shown that tea can tune up immune cells so that they can reach their targets quicker. Tea was being used centuries ago to help keep the immune system strong after injuries or illness, thanks to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. 11. Mental alertness. Tea contains caffeine. Although much less than coffee, caffeine has proven health benefits including improved mood, vigilance, reaction time and memory. Studies have shown that drinking tea can keep you alert and mentally sharp throughout the day.